Do you ever feel overwhelmed by clutter and wish there was an easy solution? Today, I'm going to show you why you need to try 30-day decluttering and minimalism challenges. Hi everyone, welcome back to Modern Minimalism. Decluttering and minimalism challenges are powerful tools that can transform not only your living space, but also your mindset. Let's dive into how these challenges can make a huge difference in your life. Clutter can significantly impact our mental well-being, productivity, and overall quality of life. It creates stress, hampers our ability to focus, and makes it difficult to find what we need when we need it. Many people struggle with clutter daily, feeling trapped in a cycle of accumulating more stuff and not knowing where to start. If you're enjoying our content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on minimalist living and decluttering. So why should you consider a 30-day decluttering and minimalism challenge? Here are a few benefits. 1. Increased focus. By removing unnecessary items, you create a clearer, more focused environment. This allows you to concentrate better on what truly matters. 2. Reduced stress. Decluttering reduces the physical and mental burden of clutter. A tidy space leads to a calmer mind, lowering stress levels. 3. Improved decision-making skills. Regularly evaluating what you need and what you can let go of enhances your ability to make quicker, more confident decisions. I've put a link in the description and comment section for a 30-day challenge planner to help you get started. This planner has been incredibly helpful for my friends, family, and myself. It's structured in a way that makes the decluttering process manageable and even enjoyable. Consistency is key when it comes to decluttering and minimalism. My friends, family, and I have all tried these 30-day challenges, and the results have been life-changing. We've found that sticking to the challenge not only transformed our spaces, but also our habits and mindsets. Consistently applying the principles of minimalism helps maintain a clutter-free environment long-term. Imagine coming home to a space that's not only tidy, but also a reflection of mindful living. A 30-day challenge can help you build the habits necessary to achieve and maintain this kind of environment. 30-day decluttering and minimalism challenges are essential for creating a more intentional and fulfilling lifestyle. They help increase focus, reduce stress, and improve decision-making skills. We'd love to hear your own decluttering experiences and tips. Share them in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more tips on improving daily living. Also, check out our next video on practical decluttering tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Modern Minimalism.